Hello, how to analyze stocks for swing trading using long option line swing trading strategy. You open your chart and you use maximum daily chart or 1 year daily chart. And the next stocks that we are going to analyze is GD. So GD, we are on maximum daily chart. We have those two trend line that we like to buy at, and right now is close to one of it, but it's not quite close. So we like to wait at it again a little long to come closer. But again, you can see that if we are using this peak as the peak of the mountain, it allows us to know both sides of the mountain. So this side going up and this side going down. So we will say that yes, it's going down. We will want it to get closer to it though, and it start going up. We can get in just to make sure we are not getting in too early. But yeah, we'll just keep watching it. The next one is Google. And Google, we have this trend line that we like to buy at, and this one, and we are just going to keep an eye on it. It does make a wide mountain, and it could be making a wide mountain. If that's the case, because it's making a high here, we could say that we are still on one side of the mountain here. It has not start going down yet. It did touch base with this trend line, but by looking at what it's doing, we could still say that we are still on one side of the mountain if we are looking at a long trend line. Otherwise, this is a mountain and it touched base at the bottom, climbing up. Even with this short trend line, I mean, I'm not talking about this long, I'm just talking about this area, is still on one side of the mountain. It will have to come back down to rest on it before going up, and it has not started yet. But yeah, we have this one and this one to work with. But yeah, and we just don't know. Yeah, chances are it's not going to continue here though, because it does make a wide mountain. Therefore, it could want to make a wide mountain when it decides to come down here. But it took more than a year though in doing this side of the mountain, and today the price went down. Even though it reached a new high, the price dropped. The next one is GWW. So GWW, we do have this one that we like to buy at, but right now is using this resistance line as a support here and start going up from there. So we are just going to keep watching it. But based on how the mountains are, it could just be, going up from there. But let's see. Yeah, we do have a trend line here, and it could just be following that trend line. If we come close to it, in fact, it make a higher lows here that today could have been a buy, or even tomorrow it could be purchased. So this has an entry point there. If we assume that it's just going to continue just the way it's doing it here. It's just going to continue that route, but it could turn around and come down here, just like it could continue there. So as it's moving, we might see some pattern that were not obvious to us before forming. So this, I will say, there is an entry point there. And I will mark a red, but we are not going to buy it, but there is a possibility if that one is well positioned to buy some share. But yeah, so ICE, we like to buy it here, but right now it's still higher up. It does make big mountain, so I don't really know what it's doing. We can continue this line to see where that will go, or we could trace it from here. No, yeah, and it could be following that line, but yeah, it does make quite a bit of wide mountain as well. So could be doing the same thing here, but we'll prefer to just wait on it to come down. So the next one is going to be IRM. We purchased IRM today, but then the price dropped. So we have those two trend lines to work with, and we have a mountain here that fell back, and we are, it started going up. So the right side of the mountain, right at the beginning of it, is where we are, and we purchased it today, but then the price dropped. So the red bar just means the price at the end of the day was lower than the price in the morning, so it's going to be a red bar. The price dropped that day, but we do have a higher lows around this trend line, and seems to me that we are at a valley here, therefore we got in, but we will see how it's going to work out. So the next one is IT, and we purchased IT last year. We have not sold it yet, and we bought it right up there while it's going up, and then it was just done. So but it pulled back and started going up, so we just had to keep watching it. The next one is J, and J, we would like to buy it at either one of those trend lines, but right now it's not coming to it. It seems to be following a trend line here, and it's going up. So it does make a wide mountain, but the way it's behaving, this line could work, but it has to come down to it first. So right now it's still going up. The next one is JPM. So JPM, we like to buy at this one, but right now is going up. It even make a high there. I just feel like this one could be, let's see, no, not really. So I can just leave it where it is. But yeah, so it's still on one side of the mountain. When it started from here, it's doing those pullback, but it's still on one side of the mountain, and we just like to wait on it. but yes. So the next one is KR, and KR we like to buy at this line, and right now is still far from it. So the next one is LII, and LII we purchased it this year, again on the upside of the mountain. So, and we bought it right there, and we are just, and after that it kept making the higher lows. But if we you see, it's just one side of the mountain here. There is a chance it could decide to pull here, but there is a chance it could make a higher lows as a higher high as well, a new high. But you can see that this low is higher than this low is higher than this one, and this one of today is higher than this one. So it's making higher lows, continue going up. So it's pretty much close to the previous highs. So we are just going to keep watching it. The next one is LLY. So LLY we purchased it last year, somewhere right there, and the price dropped. And this is just one side of the mountain, and it could well come down here. So the next one is MA. MA we purchased it as well at that purple trend line. We have this one that could be an entry point, but we purchased it, the price went up a little bit, but then pull back and start going up from there. The next one is MANH. We like to buy at this line, but right now is not quite close to it yet. The next one is MAR. MAR, this is an entry point, but right now is not close to it. It's still close to the upside of the mountain. The next one is MCK. MCK we highlighted to be a purchase today, but it pulled back today. So we can look at it. Yeah, we choose this line that is resting on that. It could have an entry point there, but it went down, making a lower low today compared to the others there. So the next one is MKL. And MKL, we have those two entry point, but right now it's going up. It's not ready to go down yet. The next one is MLM. We have some in our portfolio. We purchased it right there, and the price dropped. So when we look at it, we have this mountain, we have this one as well. It touched base with this, and it start going up from there. So it could be an entry point there, or this one. But if we zoom, we can see what is doing at that line is making higher lows there, but just one so far. Though it'll be good to find another one before, if you like to buy at that line, you can buy. The next one is MMC, and MMC we purchased it today. We have those two trend lines that we like to work with, and you see it came down to the valley, and we like to just not get in too early so that we make sure it's getting ready to go up. We are having higher lows, and we bought it today, but instead of a green bar, it was a pullback today, but still higher than the previous one. So MRVL and MMC is really at a valley, And buying it at the valley, I think I like it better than buying it on the midway, somewhere on the upside of the mountain, when we don't know if it's close to the end of that peak, we'll start going down or not. So MRVL is still forming a highs here, far from the trend line, and today it reached a new high. The next one is Microsoft, MSFT. So we like to buy additional line because it does make a big mountain, but right now it's trending around this area and we bought it somewhere there, so we do have it in our portfolio. The next one is MSI. We have it in our portfolio as well, and we purchased it higher up there and the price dropped. But we do have those two trend lines that we like to use as, you know, to enter, and we can just keep an eye on it to see what it's doing. It pulled back but didn't come very close to it, and then start going off there. So this conclude how to analyze stocks for swing trading using long up to long swing trading strategy. And we have our green bar and red bar on a daily chart, and you handpick your stocks for your watch list. You choose your time frame to analyze the chart on. Is going to be 1 year daily chart or maximum daily chart, and you choose your entry point, which are the purple line on the chart. And I like those entry points to be the valleys or the mountain. That way, you know, we will buy when it's at the valley and start getting ready to go up. So after a few pullbacks, we can buy at the first or second green bar that follow a pullback, and just, you know, climb up and sell it when we have about 10% return, or when it reach the next new high. Thank you. We thank you very much for your time. For the videos that we recorded to analyze those charts today, will you please find the links to them in the description. We thank you very much for your time. We thank you very much for all your comments, and we thank you very much for watching our videos. Thank you all that subscribe to our channel. I'm Afiavi Liberman, creator of Liberman Consulting L.L.C YouTube channel, and in Soap.com, our blog. On our channel and on our blog, we share different ways to save money and different ways to make money to reach your financial independence, where you do not depend on an employer to provide for your family. And swing trading is one way to make money. Thank you. Will you please find our playlist in the description as well to know how to create your watch list of stocks that you can trade from. Thank you.